This is a simple project where you can talk with your data in natural language. So let's get it started. Some of the requirements we'll be needing are Pandas, LangChain, Streamlit. Okay, we'll need links. Google Gemini AI too. This LangChain experimental will help us create our own agent. Okay. Now let's install it. I've already installed it. It's telling me requirement already satisfied. Okay. Now let's create our app and import all this. Import OS. So first let me create my environment. Google API key. I've already copied it from my pasted it. Okay. So let's import ours. Import pandas as PD. From LangChain, let's import Google Generative AI. From LangChain experimental.agents, let's import create Pandas Dataframe Agent. From load.env, let's import load.env. Let's import Streamlit. It's okay, just getting this from environment. Let's set our title. Set it, put it as st.title. You can name it whatever you want. It's just a random name. Okay, let me just keep it simple. CSP reader. Now let's create upload files. Upload your files, CSV files first, and type equals to CSV. So let's check it either it's working or not. Okay, it's working properly. Now if the uploaded files is not empty, then only we will start our process. And we'll read it using Pandas CSV reader. Okay, files upload successfully. Okay, let's check it once again. Okay, it's working properly. Now let's write it. It will show it in a table format properly. Now let's create our agent. Agent equals to create Pandas Dataframe Agent. So as you can see, it has 3 parameters which are going to use, and a data frame and agent type. Let's pass it. We are going to use Google Generative AI, and it will take API key and model. So the model is Gemini Pro. It's DF. Okay, let's give it a temperature of 0.5 for now. Okay, now after this we need to create our query. This query text input equals to entire query. Okay, let's store it in a variable called query. And if someone hits the query run button, then only it needs to execute. And if there is query, let's try it with st.spinner. So what it will do is whenever it's creating the answer, it will give us loader type. Let's store it in a result. So it also takes input parameter in a dictionary. So and then there will be another one, dictionary query. Okay, let's print it out. Exception software. Let's write the error. So if there is nothing, just remove the entire query. No. Upload your CSV file. I think we are done, so let's check our app. First we upload our file. Okay, it is showing it in data frame. Let's ask it some question. Oh my god. It's okay. There is a problem. I just wrote the query. I need to print result. Let's write result. Let's check it once again. Okay, it's giving us error agent stopped due to. So let's just rerun our app once again. Let's upload the file once again. Okay. Let's ask it another question. Okay, let's tell it to provide minimum and maximum temperature. Okay, so we just need to see the output. We can do it by doing result.get output equals to result.get output and get our output. Let's try it once again. Just asking it random questions. Okay, so it has given an answer. So this is how we create an app where you can talk with your data. It's not that much advanced, but it's okay, simple. Thank you very much.